case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1878, the Massachusetts Supreme Judicial Court heard Milliken v. Pratt, a case that explored the complexities of determining an individual's legal capacity to enter into a contract. The case centered on whether the law of the state where the contract was made or the law of the person's home state should be applied in such circumstances. The lawsuit involved a married woman from Massachusetts who entered into a contract in Maine, where it was lawful for her to do so. However, under Massachusetts law at the time, she was not considered to have the capacity to make such a contract. The question before the court was whether the contract would be deemed valid in Massachusetts. The lower court decided that the validity of a contract should be determined by the law in place in the state where it was made. According to this decision, even if a contract is prohibited by the laws of the state in which the case is brought, it could still be valid if it was made by one of the state's citizens while abroad in a state with more permissive laws. The court emphasized that the citizen's physical location when making the contract, whether in person, through an agent, or by letter or mail, made no difference. Upon appeal, the Massachusetts Supreme Judicial Court held that the married woman's contract made in Maine was enforceable in Massachusetts. The court applied the general rule of considering the law of the jurisdiction in which the contract was made and examined exceptions related to domicile. The court ultimately determined that enforcing the contract in Massachusetts would not be against public policy, and therefore, the judgment was awarded in favor of the plaintiffs.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.